Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable QuickNode for low latency Web3 JSON-RPC requests. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the QuickNode website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your QuickNode dashboard. Once you're logged in, click on Create Endpoint. Choose the blockchain network you want to work with. Select the API type you prefer. Give your endpoint a recognizable name for easy identification. Review the default settings and make adjustments if necessary. Click Create to finalize your endpoint. After the endpoint is created, you'll see a unique URL. Copy this JSON-RPC URL, as you'll need it for your requests. Open your preferred development environment or text editor. If you're using JavaScript, ensure you have the necessary libraries installed. For example, install the Axios library for making HTTP requests. Use the copied JSON-RPC URL in your code. Construct your JSON-RPC request payload. Specify the method you want to call with relevant parameters. Set the request headers appropriately to include content type. Send the request using your chosen library. Handle the response you receive from your QuickNode endpoint. Make sure to check for any errors in your request. Test your setup with various JSON-RPC methods. Optimize your parameters as needed for low latency responses. Refer to QuickNode's documentation for additional features and best practices. Now you're ready to leverage QuickNode for efficient Web3 development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.